This is by request. We have a capo at the 7th fret. Other than that, we're in regular tuning, but we're in 3/4 time. So there's 3 beats for each measure. So it sounds like 1 and 2 and 3 and. So we have. Okay, that's our intro. So what we had was 2 on the 3rd string to the 1st string open. And then we jumped over here to kind of a 4 and 3 thing, 4 on the big one, 3 on the second. So we had a 2 to open, and then open on the 3rd string, that 4 on the big one, and then 3 on the second, open 3rd string. So it's 2, open, open, 4, 3, open. And that measure happens a whole lot in the song. Okay, so now it's gonna be the same picking pattern, but we're gonna go to the big string open, and we let it go big one to little one, open, open, and then we're back into our 4/3 thing where we had the open G to the 4 to 3 and open. And check out the free downloadable tabs on this one, makes it a lot easier. So once again, these first 2 measures, we got, I'll give you a 3 count, 1 and 2 and 3 and. Okay, so that's our first 2. Then we're gonna have 5 on the 3rd string. So I held that one, and then I went 2nd string to 3rd to 2nd. And then we're back to that first measure. Okay, now we bring in a new one, 2 and 2. So it's still those same strings, 3rd to 1st, 3rd to 4th, 2nd to 3rd. Okay, but it's a new chord there. It's like an A sus thing. So if we look at everything again, we have. And we'll just do those same 2 again. The original first one and then this new one. Okay, and that's the whole intro. And then we have a verse that's about, I don't know, 20, 24 measures or something. And it just keeps repeating that verse. So once you get this next part after this intro, it's just a real quick outro and you have the whole song. So the next part is going to be the main part. But our intro one more time again is 1, 2, 3. Okay? I'm going to do that real slow for you one more time. 1, 2, 3. And see how I use the first finger when I know I have to move to that 4 and 3. Okay, so now we're in the verse. It starts with our original first measure twice. Okay, now we start bringing in new things. So that was G string to B, back to G, and then big 2 with 1 in the second, and then 2nd string to 3rd string. So it's. And then we got the first, we got kind of the main 2 now. Not 2s. Okay, and then we're gonna move on, but let's look at that verse again. We had our main riff twice, and then we went into a new one, and then we had kind of the main 2 riffs after that. Okay, now we get a new one. We got 5 on the 3rd string. And we're gonna get into like a C shape, so it's 5, and then a little 1, and then we get the 2 and the 1 in here. Open, 2, 1, open. So it still keeps that same picking pattern. Then we're back to our first one. Now we have a new thing, 5 on the 3rd with a little open. And that's big open with little 2, like a D chord. So that 3 on the 2nd. So it's 5 and open, open and 2 to 3. And then we have the main one. And that secondary one. Same one again. Now this time on the second one, we kind of go 2 to the open little one, and then 2, 2, 2. We kind of hold that one for a second. And then we go into a new riff. So let's review the verse again. We got 1, 2, 3. That's the one that has a little hold. And then continuing on from there, we're gonna go first finger on the 2. Kind of try to bar that 2 because we have a walk up, is why I do that. So 2 to little open, to 2 to big 2, and then 2, 4 in the 3rd string. Then we have that 5 to little open 1. Same picking pattern, C chord there, but starting on a 5. Now we have a really cool riff right here. We have the 5 and the 3rd with the little open, to the 3rd string open, to 4 and 3 on the 3rd and 2nd, to that same open G, 2 and 1 to open. So it ends up being. Okay, so you got a little walk down there. And then we're gonna have. Okay, so that was G to B to G, and then that 2 to 1 on the D and B, pulling off to the opens, and then we hit these slower, 2 and 1, open, open, and that's G string with a little 3rd fret. Okay, so that was open G with a little 3 there, and then we're back to our main riff, and then we have a new one, G, B, G, D, 2 and 1, open, open on the D and B, and then so the 2 and 1 pulls off and has a G. So helpful on the tabs on this. I'm going to start on this one. Okay, now we're back to our main 2 twice. Okay, and that is your full verse, complete verse. So let's look at the intro one more time. We got 1, 2, 3. Okay, and then the verse gets going. Twice on that. Come into that 5 thing. And then the one that holds and starts a new little walking thing in a second. And then we're just back to the main 2 riffs, twice each. Okay, and when you get to the end, you're gonna do one more of those main riffs. And then that second one, the big bass from the intro. Then we got that 5, open, open, open. Then we're gonna go 2, 2, open, open. And then we have harmonics on the highest fret. This is my 19th fret up here. And that's 12 above that 7th fret. That's why you get those harmonics there. Kind of hits the lower one and then the higher one. But they're kind of quick. They almost sound like a chord.